Here's a fun fact about your toothbrush. Did you know when you flush your toilet, poop particles are projected into the air and can land on your toothbrush? If you store your toothbrush on your counter, there's a good chance you are brushing your teeth with poop particles. Here's another fun fact. Toothbrush holders have been found to be one of the most germ-filled household items, with bacteria like staph and E. coli found in them. It's time to live clean, my friend. Think your toothbrush is safer in your travel case? Think again. Storing your toothbrush in an enclosed container is the perfect place for mold and yeast to grow. And I mean, do you really wash that thing? Do you though? Do you really? That's what I thought. And who even knows what happens to your toothbrush when you're not around? Sick of scooping literal poop in your mouth? I don't blame you, road warrior. Ow! Shield your brush from the flush with LUMIO, the self-cleaning UV light toothbrush. Built for travelers and those who pursue the freshest of smiles. LUMIO disinfects your brush after each use, using an enclosed chamber where germs and bacteria are blasted away with ultraviolet light. Ditch your grimy case, Ziploc bags, and quit going toothbrush commando, you desperate, desperate man. Traveling super quick, easy, and clean with LUMIO. LUMIO uses DuPont brush heads, the same dentist-recommended quality as many leading brands. Tap to hide, stow and go, and keep your brush germ-free with this self-cleaning marvel. Built for travelers, built for the lazy, built for a cleaner future. LUMIO. Let there be light.